Hello everybody, and it's me again. Welcome to my channel. So for first, don't forget like and subscribe to supporting me. Make a lot of video and introduce about all of our microcontroller cards. So the lesson today I will introduce about the uh, project will communicate with the LM35 sensor. We're using this to measure the temperature and using the temperature to control our device. So you can see this. So the first, I will introduce about our schematic. Here is our microcontroller, PIC 16F87778, and the power LED. It will turn on to display when we support the power supply. Crystal here, the LCD screen to display the temperature, and yeah, of course, very important. We have two channels using two LM35 sensor, and I will read the value from the sensor number 1 and the sensor number 2. After that, I will transfer this data to the temperature, the sensor temperature. After that, I will control the fans and the lamp. The channel number 1 will using this value to control the fan, and the channel number 2 use this value to control the lamp. Okay, now I will run the simulation. Okay, it's worked very well, right? So you can see the channel number 1. We have 30 sensors, and here the channel number 2, 35 degrees Celsius. Now I will change a little bit with the channel number 2. When the sensor is lower 30, you can see I will turn on the lamp, because in this case the temperature is very low and we need to up the temperature, and I will turn on it lamp. Okay, and here for the fans, if the channel number 1 type the temperature is equal or higher than 35 degrees Celsius, you can see now I will turn on the fans. It worked very well, right? And now when the temperature is higher, you see, turn on the lamp and turn off the lamp. Okay, when it is higher 30, you can see I will turn off the lamp. And here when the temperature is lower 35, you can see we turn off the fans. And we use this very famous in our project, and using this sensor to measure the temperature in the environment, or use this to control some device in your house or gardens, and you can develop it to measure a lot of things. So if you want to have more information and learn more about the microcontroller PIC or another, just don't hesitate to enroll my course, the online course. Yeah, enroll my course to develop your knowledge and learn your skill. You can furthermore by yourself develop all the project by yourself. See you in the next